Good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the solve for resistance, voltage, currents and power. Given problem. This one is total voltage 100 volts, R1 2 ohms, R2 5 ohms, R3 3 ohms, R4 4 ohms, R5 6 ohms, R6 8 ohms. Solve for R34. Solve for R234. Solve for R total. Solve for current total. Solving R34 is equal to R3 plus R4. Yung R3 natin is 30 ohms, 3 ohms plus R4 is 4 ohms. R34 is equal to 7 ohms. Redraw the circuit. R1 is 2 ohms, R2 is 5 ohms, R34 is 7 ohms, R5 is 6 ohms, R6 is 8 ohms. This is a supply of 100 volts. Solving for R34 is equal to R2 times R34 over R2 times R34 is equal to R2 is 5 ohms times 7 ohms. R2 is over 5 ohms plus 7 ohms. 5 times 7 is 35 over 5 plus 7 ohms is equal to 12 ohms is equal to 2.92 ohms. R round off is equal to 3 ohms. R34. Redraw the circuit. R1 2 ohms, R234 is 3 ohms, R5 6 ohms, R4 R6 8 ohms. 100 volts total voltage. Solving for R total is R1 plus R234 plus R5 plus R6. R1 is 2 ohms plus 3 ohms plus 6 ohms plus 8 ohms. R total is 19 ohms. Solving for given total voltage is 100 volts, R total 19 ohms, I total is equal to ano? I total is equal to total voltage over R total. Total voltage is 100 volts over 19 ohms. I total is equal to 5.26 amperes. Redraw the circuit. R1 is 2 ohms, R34 3 ohms, R5 6 ohms, R6 8 ohms. I total is equal to 5.26 amperes. Note, in series circuit, the total current that flows in each resistor is equal. Meaning, I total is equal to I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3 IN. So, for voltage drop, voltage 1, voltage 2, 3, 4, voltage 5 plus voltage 6. Voltage 1 is equal to I1 times R1. I1 is 5.26 amperes times 2 ohms equal to 10.52 volts. Voltage 1. Voltage E234 is equal to I234 times R234. Ohms is amperes is 5.26 amperes times 3 ohms is equal to E234 is 15.78 volts. Voltage 5 is equal to I5 times R5. I5 is 5.26 amperes times 6 ohms. E5 is equal to 31.56 volts. E6 is equal to I6 times R6. I6 is 5.26 amperes times 8 ohms. E6 is equal to 42.08 volts. Solve for total voltage. Total voltage 1 plus voltage E234 plus voltage 5 plus voltage 6. Voltage 1 is 10.58 volts plus 15.78 volts plus 31.56 volts plus 42.08 volts is equal to 99.94 volts. Round off is equal to 100 volts total voltage. Solve for I. Solve for I1 to 3, I5, I6. I1 is equal to voltage 1 over R1. Voltage 1 is equal to 10.52 volts divided by 2 ohms is equal to 5.26 amperes. I23 is equal to E234 R234 is equal to 15.78 volts over 3 ohms is equal to 5.26 amperes. E5 is equal to I5 is equal to E5 over R5. E5 is 31.56 volt divided by 6 ohms is equal to 5.26 amperes. E6 is equal to I6 is equal to E6 over R6. E6 is equal to 42.08 volts divided by 8 is equal to 5.26 amperes. Solve for the power P1, P2, 3, 4, P5, and P6. We know that the power formula is equal P is equal to voltage times I. P1 is equal to voltage 1 times I1. Voltage 1 is 10.52 volts. Ang current is equal to 5.26 amperes. Yung watts niya, power 1 is equal to 55.33 watts. P234 is equal to E234 times I234, 15.78 volts times yung ampere current is 5.26 amperes. Ang P234 niya is 83.00 watts. P5 is equal to E5 times I5. E5 is equal to 31.56 volt times yung current is equal to 5.26 amperes. Power 5 is equal to 166.00 watts. P6 is equal to E6 times I6. Voltage 6 niya is 42.08 volts times current is 5.26 amperes. P6 is equal to 21.34 watts. Total power is P1 plus P234 plus P5 plus P6. P1 is 5.33 watts plus 83 watts. Power 5 is equal to 166.00 watts. P6 is equal to 21.34 watts. Total power is 525.67 watts. Create a table. Create a table. Yung R1 sa voltage niya is 10.58 volts. Yung current is 5.26 amperes. Yung resistance is 2 ohms. Yung power is 55.33 watts. Ang sa R234 is yung voltage is 15.78 volts. Yung current is 5.26 amperes. Yung resistance is 3 ohms. Yung watts power is 83.00 watts. Yung R5 is equal to 31.56 volts, 5.26 amperes. Sa resistance is 6 ohms. Yung power is 166.00 watts. Sa R6 is 42.08 volts. Yung current is 5.6 amperes is 8. Sa yung resistance, yung power is 221.34 watts. Yung total niya is 100 volts sa voltage. Yung sa total current niya 5.26 amperes. Sa yung resistance, total resistance 19 ohms. Sa total power is 5.2567 watts. Bible verse of the day is Mark 8:36 to 37. For what shall it profit a man if he will gain the whole world and lose his own soul? Or what shall a man give in exchange for his soul? Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.